You've known for a while that you need to do something. You dream of big success, but there's always tomorrow. You promise yourself to start, but you never do. You think that someday everything will just fall into place. But what if I told you that you're already standing still while your life is passing by? You're delaying your dreams because you're waiting for the perfect time, but it will never come. Perfect moments don't exist because they are created in action. Big tasks seem impossible, right? But here's what you need to understand. Every big goal starts with a small step. Break it down into small, achievable tasks. Instead of thinking about the whole job, focus on the next step. Spend 5 minutes on the first step. You'll be amazed at how easily you get into the flow and keep going. What if you could start right now? How would it feel if you only had to do something for 5 minutes? This method helps you break through the fear of starting and builds the habit of taking action. Set yourself a rule. Just start with 5 minutes. You'll be surprised how easy it is to continue once the first step is done. When you're inspired, you act faster. Surround yourself with things that keep you motivated. It could be motivational quotes, photos of what you want to achieve, or even just creating a space where you feel comfortable and focused. Reward yourself for small victories. Remember, every step forward is progress, and every little movement towards your goal is worth celebrating. You deserve recognition, and when you start moving, every day will bring you little joys. Don't just think about the result. Life is a process. Focus on how you move forward, not just where you're going. When you enjoy the process, the path becomes easier and the results are inevitable. So stop delaying your life. Today is your moment. Start right now, and you'll be amazed at how quickly you'll reach what you've been dreaming of.